Oh yeah. What a POS. Anyone need an A-arm? The worst part is, that's not even the one for the squad. The fuck? Deer antlers. The fuck are their deer antlers? Oh yeah, this is perfect. I guess I'm gonna get some blocks, put it up, and start taking the A-arms off from the wheels. Oh yeah! That's how I want to ride my quad. Whew! No wheel over here. Bad bearings anyway. And that. That is perfect. Well, this ain't as easy as I planned. I tried this little trick out I got from Donnie Boy's videos. Actually, what happened was a lot of these bolts are so tight that I can't even just use my Virgo snap-on ratchet. I have this I don't even know what kind. Just a long ratchet I got from somewhere, and it's so tight that I have to try Johnny's Boy method that he made a video about. So it's tighten up until you can't no more, and then loosen it. I keep doing that, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so it's almost 6 o'clock. I've made like no progress today. I came out at like I don't even know when I came out. I came out really late. I came out about 5 o'clock. And I didn't really get much done. I got the wheels off, that takes a second. Got the shocks off, I got the brake lines off. I got the bottom A-arm off right there. This, I got one bolt out. This bolt is like stripped in there or something. I don't have time to waste on it. I'm just cutting the whole thing off, I don't care. Yeah, that's about all I got done for today. It just really sucks, but what the hell am I gonna do? You know, this is really bad. They tighten these so much that I can't even lift them up. Like, no, you're supposed to be able to lift it up a lot more. Like, a lot more. Whatever. Oh, I got the brake lines off. Could be. Whatever. Alright, so watch out for tomorrow. Hopefully it don't rain. Whatever.